Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you've seen some of my videos, you know I'm a van camper, so I've got myself here something that will come in handy as it's getting cold now. This is a heated hose for my camper. So a heated water hose. So I'll show you what we've got here. So we have the plug here, so it'll plug into just a regular 110 outlet. I have 110 in my camper, but usually at the campgrounds, the outlets are pretty close to the hose, so you can just use it there as well. So it will be, that, you got a cord, and then you have the screw-on cap, just like on a regular hose. And you can kind of see on this hose, I don't know if I can show you here, let me put this in here. So what we've got is we have I think this is gonna be like the thermostat kind of thing here for it, but then it will screw on just like a normal hose. It seems like a really good hose actually. So good, it's not always good to have a good water hose. And then we have this, we'll screw on, and then it has, if you look at the hose, it's like round, and then it has a little thing that sticks on it. So that's gonna be the little heating apparatus. So it goes there all the way through to the end, which you can screw then into your RV. It looks like it has two sides. That's kind of weird. It has two female sides. I guess you could screw it either way if you had to screw it in. That's kind of smart. So if if at the end, what am I thinking? If at the water place where I'm getting water from doesn't have electric, I could use it on my camper and just screw it in this end here, and then screw it. Actually, it's the other way around. This will screw into my camper. Nope, it screws in with this. Yeah, screw into my camper, and then I can plug it into my camper with that. So you can put it on either end, so that's really cool. And it's like 15 feet of hose, and it seems like good non-kinking hose as well. And it also came with some washers and some Teflon tape. So if you were having trouble making a connection in the wintertime, it's good. You want to make a good connection. If you don't, and it starts to freeze, you're going to end up with a whole icicle thing going around your hose. You don't want that. Last 2 years ago, I think it was, I was like 6 months, I was in my camper at a campground over the winter, and when it would get cold, my hose would freeze and I had no water. So I had water in my pump, but just whatever was inside. So this is kind of the instructions if you need them here. Great to have. I'm gonna say thumbs up. Everybody who has a camper and goes out when in the cold needs something like this. So totally good, thumbs up.